My name is Lisa. I am from Phoenix, Arizona, and I came here with my aunt. I am a graphic designer, and I find all of this very fascinating, and today and the last couple of days have been like very groundbreaking for me in a way. This isn't like a normal boot camp. It's not one that you come to and then go home and be the same person. You come here and have like an emotional breakthrough in yourself to fix you and to make you better.
What were some moments in particular, I guess, looking at how you felt and who you were when you came in on Friday and who you are today on Sunday, and what happened in between? What stands out to you?
When I first came here, I didn't know about a lot of the things that we talked about, like the fields and the clearing and how you can pick up on other people's feelings and all this kind of stuff, and it gets attached to you, like the man said, burrs on a dog walking through a field. And I had a moment on stage, and we did one of these soul boxing with the strings, and I didn't realize that I was holding on to something so tightly, and it was holding me back, like body-wise and emotionally. And once that was severed and that was cut, like it kind of just released the tension in me that I didn't know I was holding on to. So that was really great. So now that created like a, how do I say that? How do I say that I wasn't, like, I have a 4-month-old at home, and this slight trauma that we had to deal with that was stressful at the time, I thought I got over it. And since then it was kind of like milk production was dwindling. And then the night after we had the breakthrough and the tie sever, I made like 2.5 times more than what I was making the last 3 months is every single time that you pump and stuff. So that to me was a big breakthrough. And
so you learned that what you are hanging on to emotionally or in your energy field can actually have physical manifestations in your body.
Yeah, and what I didn't realize I was holding on to stopped me from doing and being a better mom and a better provider for my family. So that was really great.
Awesome. Is there anything else you'd like to tell the world about your experience here or about Dr. Louise?
Dr. Louise is so, her energy and her compassion and her excitement is catching. Like, you come in and you're like, okay, I want to learn this, but when you leave you're like, yeah, I'm a cheerleader for this. Like, I'm gonna take on the world with this stuff that I have. All these people, I now realize these slight things they have and problems in their lives, and these emotional ties. I feel like I can see these strings on people, and I want to just go with the scissors and just clip all those off. But it's catching. It makes you want to remember every single thing that you learn, and to go home and affect the people around you and to affect their lives. I thought this boot camp was very, I didn't know what to expect when I came. I knew I was going to learn something, but I didn't realize I was going to learn this much or be affected this much by it. So I'm really grateful to be here and to have met her, and yeah, that's that, I guess.